it. Black connector over there. And it's something about some wires. White and black. Cut it. Cut it.
Still the lighter.
No. You guys commandeered it yesterday.
It didn't even melt this one. I'm just doing this with my wire cutter stuff. Okay.
Probably should be on the other side.
Just like that, right?
Yep. And then what are you doing?
You twist them together.
Which two? The white and black?
Yes. And then shrink wrap. So, what does it do? Anything else?
Some shrink wrap, so...
You could like wire connect it if you want.
Yeah, I guess. What, and you just plug it back in?
Plug it back in.
And now you have power steering?
Now we have electronic power steering.
Nuh-uh.
Well, I don't know. I haven't tried it. You just watch it around.
Well,
You gotta like sit on the ground and do everything else. But it should work. I read it on the internet.
read it on the internet. YouTube said so.
Exactly what happened. I watched two people. They said, "Hey, do this." I was like, "All right." And they were like, "Check it out." All right, power steering. And somehow I cut my finger.
Then... So then what? Now what? No power steering?
Yeah, for sure. There's no power steering.
Yo, power steering, bro.
It's like running and nuts.
Dude. Oh, hey, look, you got a headlight on. You got a headlight on. Now you don't. Now you do. Now you don't. Now you do.
Wow, that's amazing. It's like ready to go.
Hell yeah, ready to almost drift.
It's gonna be easier to push now too.
Nah, we're almost there. We gotta slap a drive shaft in it. The turbo is most of the exhaust, so like we don't even need to put an exhaust in it. It'll be fine.
Did it make that big of a mess when I threw it in?
Yes, it did.
No, it didn't.
Everywhere. Cause look, I only dripped from right there.
You didn't take it up like this?
No, I did not. Stock FRS. Time to make some speed dents. Oh man, you didn't even. Oh God.
Are you raising the barn?
I mean, no, you were. Almost. More speed dents.
No, I'm not just gonna cave all the way. Elongated bolts.
How does it fit now? Better?
I don't know where this came from or how it fits so good, but it sure seems like it's made for this.
It's made for Toyota stuff.
I don't think so.
It is now.
I think it was for a Miata or something.
Okay, yeah, probably.
I think it's this is supposed to be back section of a Miata, and that's why that curve's on it. It's because when it's on the back, That's like curve.
Uh-huh.
I don't remember which way I have to look.
One of them. Makes sense. Dang, bro. It's looking pretty semi-professional up here.
Pretty.
It's semi-professional
It's mediocre.
at best,
I'm
but
happy
you
with
know. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like, bro. It's fine.